Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel. I'll be looking at gold. I think that's the first analysis I'm doing on this channel, but I've not been trading gold for quite a while now because of lack of visibility. I had a lost a trade on shorting the gold miners. That was definitely not the right timing to do that. Hopefully, I was on a very small position, so I did exit this last week just to make sure I'm not adding to the exposure. But now I'm getting more interested in actually looking at gold because it's a very emotional market that I actually like to play contrarian sometimes, even if at the moment everything is pointing to this market to move up, and I think long term there's no question they will keep going up. We are definitely in a clear uptrend, and with all the monetary policies in place at the moment, nothing is actually pointing for gold to go down in the long term. But the short term wouldn't be that sure. Looking basically at that move we had here last week, uh, this is here potentially pointing to some divergence here that I'll be closely monitoring. Nothing confirmed yet, so that could still invalidate and the momentum keep picking up and moving higher. So it would be a signal that we are potentially able to break higher. But that level here at just near 1800 will be hard to break. It's been previous resistance back in 2012, basically the last high we had at that level, and when we came close to 2000 did actually do a triple tops on this, so that level will be hard to break, and we are just reaching there. So short term I'll be looking at shorting gold. I know this is completely contrarian to what everybody's saying, that gold will break higher and will make new highs, but they just don't think that will happen short term, for many reasons. Other reason was that on that move up there was some drop following there to basically 1600 somewhere there. The cut level is showing that the open interest was dropping, and that the management is not adding to the long position. This is already still quite exposed, so they are reduced, so they are not as high as they were. I think they were actually 200,000 contracts at some point, so they are basically idle here, but it means that this move is not actually followed by the large players. They are keeping their exposure as it is for now, and might potentially even reduce it. The other thing is the retail trader keep on adding long quite a lot on gold, which is usually pointing to end of swings. So be watching this without confirmation on that divergence. I probably won't be shorting this, but ideally what I'll be looking for would be some retracement to that zone here, just temporary, then another attempt to break higher, and on this we'll be looking basically having a nice divergence on this that will confirm by dropping here and not being able to break above that trend line. We could have a short entry point here. Clearing the divergence will point to a return somewhere here, which is 1600. So break lower to that area here. That would also be the 200 MA running there, and from here be able to resume the trend up. So the trend line is sitting a bit lower, so it might extend to that point. But yes, that's a scenario I have in mind, so I'll have a look at this. We'll definitely not be doing anything on Monday. Check first what's gonna happen. Not entering short here, it's too risky, and waiting for the reaction on that trend line. Very likely we will bounce up, make a new high near the resistance, and then if we can confirm here some divergence here with the third touch a bit lower there, that will be a nice short entry point to play that swing here. So yes, that's the plan for next week, and yeah, I'll see you soon around. Cheers, bye.